240 is the maximum temperature?
Yes, sir. I'd say that's dangerous level.
Okay, we are on the left side.
10-4. We're just going through the town right now. On the radiator before we turn off the motor so we can cool it off. That's a great pit stop, guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you in La Paz.
Today we're going to drive down to San Felipe. We're leaving from the Pacific side of Ensenada and traveling over the Sea of Cortez side where San Felipe, it's an old fishing village.
Caballo del Diablo!
Oh, brand new!
Boy, at the Mexican 1000, you can see just about anything.
Watch out for rocks, we're watching out for livestock, we're watching out for just twists and turns in the road that we may not be able to anticipate. You know, we're in a short wheelbase vehicle, so I mean it's a Bronco for a reason. But I think what the really thing that we find cool about racing a vintage vehicle is all the real badasses with dirt under their fingernails, they drove a Bronco. That's why we race a Bronco.
The Bay of Los Angeles.
It's pretty much no man's land.
It is.
It's down here in Baja. It's like from San Felipe down to Guerrero Negro. This is no man's land. So yep, we've been battling some cooling issues for the last 2 days, and you know the competition, the race is going really good. We're currently third, but we're only 10 minutes from leading.
Give me 1 second there.
So we're gonna do everything we can not to stop. Yesterday with the silt is that we knew it was there, and so did everybody else know it was there, and everybody still got stuck. So we were out doing some bushwhacking, trying to find different new lines, but make a wrong turn, and next thing you know, you're down to the axle. Today is day 4. It's gonna be hot for us. We finished late last night, but yesterday was nice and cool outside. So the truck ran nice and cool, but we're worried today that she's gonna run really hot, so we're gonna take it really easy today.
Listo. Vámonos.
Discovered a motor mount broken, so we're just going to thrash and get it welded back together.
No bad days in Baja. Never.
So today we're gonna flip a coin, a peso.
Okay.
See who finishes the race.
Okay.
So here we go. Maybe one of you can flip it.
5 one side.
Eagle on the other side. So it's either number or eagle. All right.
I'll take the eagle.
You're taking eagle.
Say, do the honors
eagle?
there.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
All the way to the floor, right?
On the floor.
Call it.
I took the eagle.
It's 5.
Last year?
Let's do this.
It's been a long week of racing, and it's ups and downs. You know, we've been far behind, and now we're back in the lead, but it's not by much.
Six-time NORRA class winner. These two guys have won NORRA more than anybody else in the modern era, so yes. Smile, that's right.